Can I call you Rose? 'Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom. Can I call you Rose? 'Cause your fragrance takes over.
Hi guys, good day everyone. We have your total of 150 pieces of pastil, and these are our fall for May project natin. The 100 pieces is from anonymous person, and maraming salamat po. And 50 pieces is from Sir AJ Leander. Ayan sir, maraming salamat din po. And ayun, these are total of 150 pieces of pastil, and tara, samahan nyo kayo pamigay. Let's go! Thank you po. Salamat po. Thank you po. Salamat po. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you. Merry Christmas po. Salamat po. Thank you po. Salamat po. Thank you po. Good afternoon. Thank you po. Salamat. Thank you. Salamat po. Thank you. Salamat po. Salamat po. Magkain tayo. Salamat. Salamat sir. Thank you po. Salamat po. Salamat po. Salamat po. Salamat po. Salamat po. Salamat. Salamat po. Thank you po. Salamat po. Thank you. Thank you sir. Thank you.